位置喺堅拿道，呢個係堅拿道東。This is the Canal Road East, and I'm going to walk into this street. This is the Sharp Street East. 咁啊，諗住行一行呢條街，呢條街係霎東街啊。咁啊，望一望呢個啦，時代廣場。This is one of the landmark in Causeway Bay, Times Square. 咁啊，呢個冇開啦。This one is closed. Okay, so before walking, let's look at the street sign. Sharp Street East, 霎東街嗰邊係寶靈頓街嗰個，唔知係咪叫寶靈大廈咧？呢度好啦，繼續啦。咁呢度亦都係時代廣場嘅停車場入口啦。That is also a car park entrance for the Times Square. 媽咪屋啊 ，Mother Court. Okay. They sells products for kids and mother. Mount Melly. Mele. I'm not too sure. Since it should be it should be Japanese, so it should be Mele. Yeah. They sell apple pies.牛奶冰室 Milk Cafe. It should be a Hong Kong style tea cafe. 牛奶冰室 Pineapple buns. Okay, scrambled eggs. Lemon tea, lemonade. Okay. 菠蘿包 Pineapple buns. Okay. This is the Holiday Inn Express. They has got a few restaurants in this building as well. Lane Carford 連卡佛咁啊，時代廣場入邊嘅。That's inside the Times Square. It seems like there are a number of shops up there as well, but I can see salon and beauty center. Oh, what's that? Preface Causeway Bay. Coding, coffee, wine. Okay. Learn tech with preface. Okay. That sounds quite interesting. 啊，有啲又幾得意喎。咖啡加寫曲，就加酒。呢個係咩地方嚟嘅呢？ It seems that there are some beauty center and fitness center. Okay, so I need to cross the road and go back to the Oh no. I'm not too sure, but I guess this is also part of the Sharp Street. Let me check it out. This coffee, tea latte, fruit latte 冇開啦。This one is closed as well. This one is doing seems like Vietnam food for takeaways only. Here 呢度有間好大間嘅沙沙，前少少係 fusion。好啦，呢個係霎東街街頭嚟嘅。Okay, this is Sharp Street East. Luckily, I realized that that wasn't the end of the street earlier. This is the Lee Theatre 利舞台。好啦，繼續行啦。呢度有間 Nike。好啦，嗰個對面馬路就繼續行啦。Lee Theatre， 咁啊上邊有堆餐廳啦，樓下最出名當然就係呢個 Uniqlo 啦。咁啊，另外仲有間 Muji 嘅，個 Muji 有 Muji Cafe。So they have these in Lee Garden they have the Uniqlo. Also Muji Cafe, and they also have a number of restaurants up there. Hợp和豆品 This is selling tofu products. And I always think this screen is quite interesting.好啦，繼續行啦。咁側邊就係 Times Square 啦 ，Ferragamo。These screens are beautiful. Preface, coffee, and wine. This is Lane Carford. So that's the Holiday Inn Express. I think we can see quite clearly which restaurant is still opening from this direction. 咁啊，由呢個角度就睇得比較清楚啦，應該得2、3間，唔好啊，得一間開嘅原來上邊。So I can see only one of these restaurants are opened. On upstairs. 好啦，繼續行啦。 咁就翻咗出嚟啦。呢個係霎東街。Okay, so this is the end of this road. Sharp Street East. And I will see you in the next video. 咁我哋下段片再見啦，多謝收睇，拜拜。